Welcome back to another quick guide. Today we'll walk you through how to make CapCut less laggy. To make CapCut less laggy, follow these two methods for you. First method, clear cache and optimize device performance. Clear the cache. Go to your phone settings, navigate to apps or app management depending on your device. Then tap on the list and find CapCut. Tap on Storage and Cache and choose Clear Cache. Close background apps. Close unnecessary apps running in the background to free up RAM. Use a device optimizer if available. Then tap on Optimize to improve overall performance. Restart your device. Restart your phone to refresh its system and allocate resources efficiently. Last method, adjust settings within CapCut. Clear cache. Open CapCut. Go to Me section in the bottom right corner. Then tap on the settings, the gear icon in the top right, and choose the tab Reduce the free up storage space. Tap on Clear Cache and hit Confirm. Ensure you have sufficient space, as CapCut needs it for smooth operation, especially with high quality videos. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.